Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see an InfinityQ coding problem which is nothing but 5 and 8 based problem. Now observe the problem statement. This is the problem statement. You will be given an input integers separated by comma and you need to form two numbers, number 1 and number 2, and the number 1 is formed by adding all the numbers except which are in between 5 and 8, and you will be given a list of numbers, right? And there will be some numbers 5 and 8, and 8 will be followed by 5. Okay, now observe the number 1 will be followed by adding all the numbers except between 5 and 8, which means you will take this and you will take this and you will add all those numbers. Okay, and then what you will do, you will form the number 2 by concatenating the numbers from 5 to 8, which means what, you will take this range of numbers and you will concatenate and you will get one more number. Then you will get number 1 and number 2, and finally you perform the sum operation on it and you need to display that sum. Fine. Now let me explain you the test case here. Observe the numbers. These are the numbers separated by comma, and observe the number 1 is nothing but what, the numbers before the 5 and the numbers after the 8, right? Now observe what will happen. 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9, 20 is the number 1. What is number 2? You need to concatenate the numbers present in this range, right? So you will get 5148 as our second number and perform the sum operation between number 1 and number 2. You will get the sum and display the sum 5168. Now let me show you how to do this. First let me take the test case. What is the test case? 3 2 6 51489, right? 51489. Just a minute. 489, right? These are the numbers given. Now observe what we need to do. Let I will take this as my first index and I will calculate this index as the last index. And what I need to do, I will take up to this from starting to first index elements 3 2 6, and from ending index to this is called as the end index. Okay, let it be EI, end index. From end index to this elements means what, 9. I will take this elements as one temporary list and I will consider the sum of it. How much? The sum will be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 9 20. Now the second time what I will do, and this is the temp 1, I will consider the element. I will concatenate 5148, means from first index to the end index I will consider the range of elements, means I will get the number, concatenate number as 5148. Now what will happen, I will add this 5148 to the 20 and I will get the sum as 5168. Fine. In this way we are going to solve this problem. Let me show you how to do this programmatically. Observe here. The first thing what we need to do, we need to read a list of numbers, right? L of x, and for x in input dot split of comma, which means what will this line do, whatever the lines, whatever the numbers you will given, those stored as a string in L list. Okay, now let me write print L and show to you what will happen. Now for example, if I had given you a test case like 3 2, here observe 3 2 4, like this some test case I had given. Now like you can observe, right, 3 4 5 6 5 printed as a list, right? Now input, right? Let me write a message here, enter numbers. Okay, now observe what will happen. Now I am having the input list and I am taking a sum variable to 0, and then I need to calculate the first index and last index, right? It's nothing but the index of element 5 and index of element 8. So first index fi equal to L dot index of element 5. Similarly, end index equal to L dot index of element 8, right? I got the first index and last index. What I need to do, I need to get the first number. How can I get the first number? In order to get the first number, I need to take elements before 5 and elements after 8, right? So my list equal to L of the elements before the 5 plus and the L of the elements after the 8, right? You got the first number, my list. And how you will get the first number? You need to sum all the elements, right? So what I'm going to do, let me take num1 equal to 0, and now observe here, for every element present in my list, which means for every number present in my list, the num1 plus equal to, what will happen, num1 equal to int of element, which means you will consider that number and you will convert into integer and you will add that to the number. And let me remove this one and observe, which means we created the list and we collected its sum. Okay, by doing that we collected the n1, means number 1. Now we need to calculate number 2, right? The number 2 means what? Number 2 equal to, first what we need to do, we need to get the index, right? L of, starting with the first index to up to end index, you need to take the range of elements. And what you need to do, these are all strings, right? For that you need to join it so that you can form a number. And for this formed number, what you need to do, you need to typecast into integer type, right? Int. You need to write int. Now by doing this, number 2 will be formed, just like you consider the range of numbers between 5 and 8 and you converted that into an integer type. Now what is our sum? Sum equal to n1 plus n2, right? And what we need to write? We need to write print of sum. Let me save this code and execute. Observe, enter number, right? Just a typo error here. Let me do it here. Enter numbers, series of numbers you need to give here. Let me save this code and let me execute here. And let me copy the test case from here. What is the test case? 326 51489. 326 51489. Now observe 5168, right? For simplicity, I will print the number 1 and number 2 also, so that you will get much clarity. Before printing the sum, I will print number 1 and print number 2. Now let me run it again, the same case. Let me copy this test case and paste it here. Yeah, just a minute. Here the error is because we taken n1, right? N1 and n2 you need to consider, okay? Consider as n1 and n2, and let me give the input 326. What is the input? 326 51489. 51489. Now observe, first number is 20, second number is 5148, and the sum is 5168. First number is 20, second number is 5148, and the sum is 5168. And in this way you need to code for this problem. Keep practicing these problems. Thanks for watching.